Hi, it's Dr. Jenna here, and I just want to take a minute and explain a food sensitivity test to you and how you do it. First of all, I'm so excited that you're getting this information because I think you'll have some really great information that we can use to help with your health issues. But usually when people get this kit or any other kit in the mail or pick it up from our office, they think, what in the world am I supposed to do with this? So whether you pick this kit up at our office or I mailed it to you and you got it in the mail, it's the same thing. If you got it in the mail directly from the lab, it'll come in this big box and you just unpack it and then open it up. Don't be scared to open it up. You got to take the lid off. The first thing I want to point out to you is that as soon as you get this, go home and stick this ice pack in the freezer. Whenever you have your blood sample drawn, the lab will put this into the kit that they mail back to the lab so it keeps the sample fresh. So this needs to be frozen overnight, and then the morning that you go to get your lab work done, you just take it with you and give it to the person at the lab doing your blood draw, and she or he will know what to do with it. So chances are, if you got this in the mail, this is a requisition form, and it's tucked right in there, and this is what tells the lab what needs to be done. If you got this kit in the mail from the lab, chances are that I already filled out a lot of your personal information on here, your name, your date of birth, all that kind of stuff. So just take a look. Whatever is missing, if you'll go ahead and fill in, that'd be great. And then you just sign it. You paid me for the kit, so you don't have to make any payments. Even if you have Medicare, do not fill anything else out except the section 1 with your personal information and sign at the bottom. And regardless of whether you got the kit in the mail or you picked it up at our office, the other stuff will be filled out for you in terms of what options we're going to do with the testing. You don't need to worry about any of that. If you picked it up from my office, I will sign it. If you did not, I have electronically signed it. So even though it says physician signature and date required, if it's not on there, chances are that I did it electronically. So you don't need to worry about any of that. When the lab collects your sample, they will just write the date that the sample was collected in there. And that's kind of the only thing you need to worry about with that requisition form. And then other than that, for a food sensitivity test, it's pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of tubes and all that kind of stuff, but you do not need to worry about that. There is some information that the lab will use, but again, nothing for you to worry about. You just show up. They're gonna draw some tubes of blood. You're going to bring your ice pack. They're going to stick it in this cute little FedEx bag, and it's going to get to the lab. And in a week or two, once they get it, I'll have results. I'll get back in touch with you and we can go over them. Okay, thanks a lot. Let us know if you have any questions.